My name's Sophie Scott and I'm a cognitive neuroscientist at University College London. And something that's really excited me this year is that one of our colleagues at UCL, and in fact one of the first scientists who set up the Institute of Cognitive Neuroscience where we are now, has won a Nobel Prize this year. So Professor John O'Keefe has won, along with Britt Moser and her husband from Norway, have won the Nobel Prize in Physiology and Medicine for their work on grid cells and place cells in the rat hippocampus. And what I really like about this, apart from just it's wonderful to see great science rewarded in this way, but it's such a lovely example of how you can kind of scale up from animal models of how particular populations of cells code your spatial relationship with you and your environment and where you're moving. And actually they've been scaling that up to work with humans, for example, work with patients if you have hippocampal damage, and looking at people who have traumatic memories and sort of the role of the hippocampus in that. So I think it's a really delightful piece of science anyway, and well, world of science, and it's fantastic to see it rewarded, and it's really great to see the kind of the scale of the enterprise really get picked up on in this way. Something else that's been really exciting to me this year is a lot of our work on how we speak and communicate has started to come together with our work on how we use laughter. And we've got a paper coming out with an express sort of model of the neurobiology of laughter and how we actually functionally use laughter in interactions, because it's coming clear now that we don't just sort of emit laughter at each other, we actually use laughter to regulate our emotions together in interactions. And it's a great way of actually investigating how we can feel better simply after having talked to somebody. It's not enough just to look at language. I think we've got to think about language in these social interactions, and laughter seems to be really key to that.